From our 3 generations of trusted expertise, outstanding customer service, and unmatched passion, we are Neptune Plumbing. We offer a wide range of services from new construction, plumbing design and installation, and prefabrication capabilities to true 24/7 emergency service. Our rigorous training program and high standards ensure that all technicians are highly educated industry professionals that you can count on.
We take pride in being innovative and passionate. We strive to give every customer personalized service and trusted expertise.
Nothing makes us prouder than continuing our family legacy and serving the Northeast Ohio community.
Tending to commercial, industrial, and institutional plumbing needs for more than 60 years, our team of plumbing experts truly makes a difference. Contact us to learn how.